Place the bag of broccoli in boiling water. Remove the broccoli from the bag. Cut into small florets. Mash with a fork. Add grated cheese. Crack 4 eggs. Season with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, chili flakes. Mix well. Heat the pan with vegetable oil. Pour the mixture into the pan. Fry under a lid for 20 minutes. Drizzle a plate with vegetable oil. Turn the tart onto the plate. Drizzle the pan with vegetable oil. Place the tart. Spread with tomato sauce. Sprinkle with grated mozzarella. Drizzle the tomatoes with water and dry with paper towels. Cut into thin slices. Place over the cheese. Take bacon cut into small cubes. Drizzle the pan with vegetable oil. Fry the bacon. Place among the tomato slices. Season with oregano. Fry under a lid for another 5 minutes. Crack 2 eggs into the blender cup. Pour in mustard, olive oil. Blend the sauce with a hand blender. Pour onto a plate. Add pickled cucumbers cut into small cubes, ketchup, mustard, sugar. Season with sweet paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, salt. Mix the sauce. Pour into a serving bowl. Sprinkle with chili flakes. If you're short on time, we recommend this delicious yet healthy pan tart. You will be delighted by this unique way of preparing broccoli.